pick up this dark shadow grey metallic 2008 Ford Super Duty F350 DRW, available today. Featuring manual transmission, it has 51,588 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.